Second serve. Point.
Lovely shot. So Niall started playing when he was 8 years old. His coach was Vinny Wren.
6-3.
And Vinny'd give him drills to do, and himself and the dad had practiced them. And Vinny'd come back after a month and see how the homework was going, and he'd give him a few more. Niall worked a lot with his dad, training and doing drills growing up.
Side out.
So Niall's
3-6.
favourite player was Sean Lennon. It's a loose serve.
Side out.
Can't give a serve like that to Niall O'Connor, he'll punish you for it.
Six, 3. Side out.
I let the set up there, but he just put it into the floor, rushed it a bit, stood a bit square.
3-6.
Big chance here from off the backboard.
Point.
It's not like him to miss them.
Four, 6. Side out. Six, 4. Short. Second serve. Side out.
That's a lovely left-handed kill from John. Just a bit more about John. John's favourite food is pasta
4, 6.
and tacos. And he plays a lot of handball down in Mexico. He met his wife after a handball match, after a handball tournament in Mexico.
4.
And his favourite food is Mexican.
Yeah,
tacos.
I think you
He
could
likes
got
Italian
it.
as well.
Champ.
Pasta.
Four, 6. Side out.
Bit about the referee. He's the brother of the Cordovas, the famous Cordova brothers,
6, 4.
Lucho and Daniel. His name is Andres from Mexico, and he's playing in the 19 singles later on this week.
Side out.
So he's doing a good job here refereeing so far.
Four, 6. Short. Second serve. Side out.
Oh, lovely touch. It was a lovely touch by Niall, just feathered it in off the corner. Lovely shot.
Six, 4. Point.
I think Niall is playing out of Canada now. I must catch up with him later on. He's playing his handball in Canada. He's playing a few of the pro stuff.
7-4.
It's great to see him.
Short.
Playing. He's had a lot of injuries down through the years, so it's great to
Second
see him.
serve. Point. Eight, 4.
That's a great shot from Niall.
First time
Ball
out
wrapped
from
around,
Chapman.
he took it.
Scores
He didn't lose
9-4.
it off the glass and flattened it. That's a great shot. With the timeout now here. Let the players get a quick rest. John called the timeout, so he was trying to break Niall's rhythm a bit. He's taking some Lucas at Spórt. Keep hydrated. He's sitting down for himself now, and John has gone up to his seat, sitting down, taking some water, trying to get his bearings. These games are to 15 as well, so if you blink, they're over.
It's a minute, right? How much is it for a timeout? How much time? 2 minutes? 1 minute. 1 minute? Okay.
So it's a minute of timeout. It's done. Zooming back. Score is 9 serving 4.
Okay, it's time in again now. 9-4.
Point. Ten, 4. Side out.
It's unusual to see Niall missing them. It's maybe he's rushing.
4-10.
It's a lovely hop serve from John. He's putting hop on it off the backboard too. His brother David used to do a lot of that.
Two bounces. Point.
That's a good call from Niall. He said he didn't get it. It looked from here like he did get it, but it's a great call.
Five, 10. Forward short. Okay. Second serve.
That's a lovely shot with the left hand.
Side out.
Rolled it off the left side wall.
Ten serving 5.
That's a lovely shot with the left hand. Jesus, two lovely hands, Niall. On the back foot too. Wound up and killed it. It's a lovely shot. He'd one foot off the ear there, and he swung and went for the kill, and it was
11-5.
He's shooting forward now, 11-5. That's lovely fly passing. That's a lovely shot. John is under pressure now. I'd be taking another time out if I was John.
12-5.
Big setup now for Niall. No, chance for John. Sometimes it's hard to get them balls off the back. Well, that's a great pass, but Niall is back there. Oh, and it hit John, so that's going to be a replay.
Check it, please. $12-5. Side out.
So in court 2 at the moment, we've the Masters going on. It's a
5-12.
Brendan Fleming from Cork versus Joe McCann from Mayo, and in court 3 we've got Dominic Lynch and Michael Gregan. So it'll be two great matches. They're going on as we speak now at the same time. They're at the semi-final stage.
12-5. Point. $13-5.
So 13-5. I'll be expecting another timeout from John, just to break Niall's rhythm a bit. It's a great. That was a great shot by Niall. Brought John all the way back to deep court.
Possible game point 5. Side out.
That's not lying. He closed the fist there. He wound up and hit it with the fist. So
5-14.
Oh, it's a lovely paddle kill. That's something the style his brother David used to do years ago. The paddle.
6-14.
Lovely shot.
Side out.
That's a lovely shot from Niall off the corner. Niall is a similar style to the great Sean Lenning, actually.
14-6. Side out. Six 14. Point.
Lovely shot there from John. He passed him down the right and then he killed it in the corner. That's a lovely shot.
7 14.
Going for the softer serve now, John.
Point.
It's a lovely shot off the shoulder. Them were shots we haven't seen many Irish players doing.
First time out.
Now
from
Niall takes the time
Niall.
out.
1 minute.
Niall is he's just one more to get in this game, one point, and he wants to make sure he gets it. He doesn't want John Chapman to come back because John was just starting to hit rhythm, hit his form. And it was a very good time to call a timeout. Good strategic.
No te quise ofender. Que no fue mi intención.
So I see the crowd starting to come in now. The
20 seconds.
Cordova family is here from Mexico. The atmosphere is really buzzing around here in Crow Park. There's 3 courts going at the moment, and it's amazing.
5 seconds.
If okay, the referee's calling them back in. 5 seconds.
Time.
So if anyone wants to
Turn
keep up
back.
to date with all the scores
8,
of the
serving
handball
14.
and the fixtures around the country, you just log into knowthescore.ie. Knowthescore.ie. KNOW. Knowthescore.ie, and you can find out what's going on live. Updated. It's a great computer program that they have going. So it's if you log on to that, you'll be oh, it's a lovely fly kill. Chapman is starting to hit form now. The timeout didn't bother him a bit.
9 14.
Chance for Niall. Lovely 2-wall pass.
Side out.
Dived in to get that one off the back wall. That would have been a lovely shot if he got to it. He dived and tried to use the back wall to get the ball up to the front wall, but it just fell short.
Towel.
Looking for a towel
You guys
now.
have towels?
Um,
A dry shirt.
so he's just getting a towel now to wipe the floor. Okay, the referee's back. He was just getting a towel.
Possible
see
game
if they
point
needed a
serving
towel, but
9.
he's back. Okay, Niall serving for the first game here now. Can he finish it out? That's a great serve, great pick. And John said he didn't get it, so it's good sportsmanship by the two guys. We're going to have a quick break here, and we'll be back for the second game.
Side out. Ahorita, okay, arre. Ni modo que no.
Okay,
All right,
we're back live
starting
again.
match. 0 serving 0.
So Niall took the first game, I think 15-9.
Short.
And he's serving
Second.
for the second one against, if you've just joined us, the great John Chapman. The great one's brother, David's brother. David Chapman.
2 bounces, thank you.
That's good sportsmanship from Niall. He picked it in 2 hops.
Zero, 0. Side
A
out.
lovely shot down, overhand, tight to the glass there. John couldn't get his fingers in between it.
0, 0.
Glass and the ball.
Point. 1, 0. Over.
That's good refereeing. It's going to be a replay.
1, 0.
That's a big setup here for John. What's he going to do with it? Goes for the cross-court kill, but left it a bit high. Oh, it's a lovely left-handed kill from Niall O'Connor.
Point.
That's a great shot. Let's see if we can see this again. Look at that. That's something like Lenning would do. He's a lovely swing like Sean Lenning. Off the
2, 0.
elbow and wrist. Lovely shot. That's a
Point.
lovely fly shot down the reverse the ball down around the right hand side. It's a lovely shot.
3, 0. Side out. Zero, 3. Side out.
Niall's mixing it up, but now when you think he's going to go for a kill, he goes for a pass, and when he's supposed to go for a pass, he goes for a kill. So it's great handball
3-0.
by the Kildare man. Big rally here. Both players going to the roof. It's a defensive mechanism to see who's going to make a mistake.
Side
Owen
out.
went for the left hand and just was unfortunate, went into the floor.
0, 3.
Lovely half serve for John. Niall fits the ceiling.
Point.
That was a great overhand shot by John down the wall, left wall, and Niall nearly took his nails off there, taking it off the glass.
1, 3. Side out.
Oh, John be annoyed with that setup. He shouldn't have missed that. That's his bread and butter right there.
3, 1. Short. Second serve. Side out.
That's a lovely pass shot from John.
1-3. Side out.
Oh, and he went for that one, the tomahawk, but didn't work out. Into the floor. Niall is back into serve.
3-1.
Great roof play. Niall's going to go for it. John is there for it. This is great play. This is a great rally. Very good rally. That's a great rally. That's probably the best rally of the match so far. Great roofing, passing, running. Great shot. That was a lovely shot that John did. Just passed the ball and it didn't come off the glass for Niall to pick up the glass.
Mop. One, 3. Point. Two, 3.
Big chance for Niall here.
Oh,
Goes for it. Gets
side
it.
out. Ni mo ka no. 3-2.
So 3 plays 2. What's a setup for John? Oh, it's a lovely touch for Niall. Lovely touch. He just touched it into the corner. And John wasn't far away from it.
Ja, bloody hell. Point.
John's favourite memory, probably favourite handball memory,
serving
was
2.
watching his brother David playing doubles with his dad.
Short.
With the beat two guys, two good players in America in the tournament. David
Second
was in his
serve.
30s and his dad was 76, and they beat the two guys. So that's his fondest memory. Niall's fondest memory is probably winning his first All-Ireland. He was looking at the guy, his dad was watching the guy playing.
Point.
Dad said, yeah, okay, he's right-handed, so you're served down the left should suit. But then he was talking to Ty Carroll, and Ty Carroll said, no, he's left-handed. And so Niall was panicking, and he said, geez, I better learn to serve down the right.
5-2.
So he started serving down the right, and then the great John Gaffney told him, hold it, what are you doing? Serve it down the left. And it was a tight one, but he won the match, and he won his first All-Ireland.
Point.
So
First time out.
that was
Score
one of
you
his memories.
6-2.
Niall's memories. Thought the time out here now, and they're going to have a quick water break. The score is 6-2. And the place is really buzzing around the place. There's 3 matches going on. We've got the Showcourt here, and we've got the great Brendan Fleming from Cork, the Ballydesmond Club, playing Joe McCann from the Balladreen Club in Mayo in Court 2. And then we've got a
20
nail biter in
seconds.
court 3 with Lynch, Dominic Lynch and Michael Gregan.
See?
So it's all happening here.
See?
Great matches going on at the moment.
Seconds. Manches, un minuto no es nada. Pa. Resuming game. Soy perro por el inglés.
Okay, it's
Resuming
time
game.
back in and it's
Score
Niall to
6,
serve.
serving 2. Short. Second serve.
It's a second serve now. Niall needs to be careful not to double fault, so he's going for the overhand toss.
Point.
Lovely shot, pass shot as well. John finding it hard to read Niall's style. Niall is a really unusual style. It's a lovely
7-2.
off the shoulder, so it's hard to know where he's going to kill it or he's going to pass it. Chance here off the corner. Now a chance for John. The Kito gets a lovely shot. Niall gets to it, hits it off the glass. Big chance here for John. Goes for the pass. Oh, it's a lovely shot over between the legs. This is a great rally. Oh, and John messed it up. I was unlucky there. It slid off the glass, but that was great retrieving from Niall. Great retrieving. Just slid off the glass there, and he's annoyed with that shot. He knows he could have done better.
8-2.
Rally here. Oh, and
Side out.
Niall closed the fist there, and he just missed that one. He'd be annoyed. He knows he should have flattened that one, but he just closed the fist the last second.
2-8. Point. Three eight.
3-8. Great
Side
serve,
out.
but great retrieving from Niall. It was a really good serve, but Niall got to it and killed it.
Tengo hambre. 8-3.
Awkward ball, but John picks it out of the glass, and Niall is there for the
Point.
fly kill. That's a great shot. Niall knew he had John in trouble at the back of the court picking the ball, so he got up and flied it. And John hadn't time to get up for it.
9-3.
Great play by Niall, by the Kildare man.
Point. Ten three.
Niall going for the lob now, he's changing it a bit. 10-3. That's a nice
Side
return
out.
from John. He's seen that serve before. Lovely reverse down the wall, and Niall was caught back the
3-10.
right hand side. Big chance here for Niall with the left hand. Goes for the kill, but John is in there. That's going to be a replay, no? Referee played it. Big rally here. Oh, it's a great shot from John. Great
Point.
shot.
Mop.
Niall is going to get the floor mopped.
Thank you. Parkour. Parkour. Ah, madre. That's point. Four serving 10.
Niall is so fast picking them. Big chance here for him.
Side
Goes
out.
for the kill with the right hand. Lovely shot.
Ten 4. Side out.
That's good play. John Chapman forcing Niall down the back of the court. Very good rally.
Four 10. Over. ¿Qué le hizo? Sí.
So it's
Yeah.
14.
Second timeout.
So it's another timeout.
That's over. Sorry. One minute.
So it's 10-4. John will be hoping to get a few more aces in this game to put pressure on Niall.
Three seconds. 10 seconds. Time in. Ahorita
So
sí.
it's time in again now, and the score is 4 serving 10.
Score is 4 serving 10.
Oh,
Point.
it's a lovely shot from John Chapman there. Great shot. Very good.
5-10.
So 5-10. The timeout would have helped John a bit. Get a few aces.
Over.
John repeated him there. It's going to be. Is it going to be avoidable or replay? The referee has pains. He's standing back. What's he going to do?
5 serving 10.
Goes against replay. Great hop serve from John Chapman.
Side out.
Lovely shot. Niall off the corner. Into the corner. Lovely shot.
10-5.
So 10 serving 5. It's a lovely shot from Niall.
Point.
Reverse the ball down the wall, down, tight to the glass. That's a great shot.
11-5. Short. Second serve. Side out. Five 11.
Lovely hop serve. Niall got it.
Side out.
It's a great serve.
Mop.
I don't know how Niall got to that one, but it's a great
Thank
serve.
you.
John wasn't expecting him to get it, I think.
Okay. 11-5. Check it, please.
John kind of walked on the way of that one, but it's going to be a replay.
Kicking. Eleven 5.
Oh, it's a great rally. That's a great rally. The crowd really enjoying that one. It's a big rally.
12-5.
It's 12-5 here now in the Showcourt. Chance here for John.
Side out.
And the crowd's starting to get behind John now there.
5-12.
That's a
Side
lovely
out.
shot from Niall. John tried the slow serve, but it just fell short of the back wall. And John got under it. Or Niall got under it,
12-5.
sorry.
Point. Thirteen 5. Point. Possible game point, serving 5.
So this could be it. This could be for all the marbles here. Game ball. Big rally here. Oh, it's going to be a
Over.
reserve.
Check it, please. Fourteen 5.
These two players really got used to playing in this Showcourt,
Game.
and they really got into it. So it's Niall O'Connor to go through to the next round. And the crowd give him a clap, and it's been a great opening title. So we'll be back again for more games after lunch. So don't go away, come back and we'll watch them. They'll be starting at 5:30, and there's other games on as we speak as well. So we're going to have a quick break and we'll be back.
Okay.
Okay, we're live here, and this is
0 serve 0.
Ollie Cassidy, and we've got the great Rare here. So this is going to be a good game. We've got Ger Coonan from Tipperary, Ireland, versus. Have you played this guy, Ray?
I've never played him before.
Okay.
Just seen him play a few times.
Okay.
0 serve 0. Point. 1 serve 0. Short.
So.
Second serve. Side out.
Oh, that's a great shot by. He's from San Francisco originally, is he, Ray?
0
I
serves
don't
1.
know where he's originally from.
Right.
I want to say he's from San Francisco now, because he's played doubles with Lauren Collado in the past. I've seen, and just I can see a few of the guys from the Bay Area that are watching him right now. So
Okay.
Hand out.
He'd be annoyed with himself missing that setup off the back wall.
1 serve 0. Short.
it's gonna be tough matchups for every American getting used to the ball.
Second serve.
If they haven't been using it too much. I know some people have been practicing with it just for a few weeks, but some people, who knows if they've only been. The last pro stop was 3 weeks ago, so that gives you 3 weeks to prepare with this ball. And if you weren't practicing, if you only practiced once a week or so and prep for this tournament, it's gonna be hard to get into the matches. So
Right.
see how it goes.
Hand out.
So you've
0
been over
serves
here.
1.
You came. You did your homework. You've been over here. I heard little birdie was telling me you've been over here for 12 days before the tournament starts.
I showed up on Saturday, last Saturday, so I've been here for 9 days already. So
Wow.
yeah, it helps me settle in, get ready, and just be able to focus on handball when it
Right.
comes down to it, rather than being tired or anything like that. So
Okay.
gotten used to the courts.
How'd you find this Showcourt? How'd you get? Did you find it okay?
So I started the first time on it just with the women's ball. I played some pickup doubles, and that was brutal with that one because the ball blends in with the glass.
It does. I always said that you lose it on the glass.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
tough with the men's ball, but it's
Point.
much easier than the women's.
Right.
Still hard though.
Yeah.
So.
1
but
serves 1.
I think the more time you get on it, the easier and easier it gets. It's similar to when there's two glass walls in the U.S. So it's just,
Hand out.
I guess, both sides.
Right. Oh, similar in the U.S. courts. You have usually one side wall that's glass in the U.S. Or if you have both side walls.
Usually it's just one.
Right.
So
1 serves
like
1.
in Portland just a few weeks ago, it was the left side wall. So like it's hard. Sometimes it gets lost, and you have a split second extra of trying to figure out where the ball's going.
Replay.
And then
Okay.
you lose track, and just a split second off, so you'll miss more balls. But I mean, both players are going to have it. So
Yeah, it was good for the goose. It was good for the
Together
gander,
at 1.
as we say
Yeah.
back here. So getting back to this. This is This is some
Short.
good rallies here. It's a short ball. Ger from the Ballina club in Tipperary. He's living out of Dublin, so he plays a lot in this court.
Second serve.
So he should be used to it. Have you met Ger during the week?
no, I haven't.
No. Big setup here for Rinne. When he put it back for a setup for Ger. It's a good pass shot by Ger. Good
Point.
pass. Is it Rinne you call him? I can't pronounce it.
I want to say, I'm not certain.
Right. You're not taking no chances.
2
There's a
serves
lot,
1.
yeah, there's a lot of times where like
I gotta
learned
apologize.
something.
I gotta apologize. I just picked you out the crowd for the commentator. I hope I didn't get you in the hop.
Oh, all good.
Yeah.
Oh well.
That's
Oh.
unlucky.
Point.
That's unlucky.
That's one that would have made it with ease over in the States, just with the
With
with the 21 ball.
Oh, it's a lot faster.
3
Is it?
serves
Much
1.
faster.
Is it?
I know the first time that I played with this ball over in the States, like I just hit it around for
Hand up.
2-3 minutes or something, and I was throwing the ball up to the ceiling with pretty decent effort. The thing's not even making it to the back wall.
Really?
One
Okay.
serves 3.
Whereas, because with the 21, you have to be like, you have to feather it up there and be.
Because it'll come off the back wall.
Yeah. Otherwise, it's going to fly off the back wall and be a setup. So for this, like, at first it was really hard because I kept leaving it short, but eventually your body just adapts to just swinging a little bit harder routinely. And,
Okay.
Yeah.
Big chance here. Do you notice the difference in styles? Ger pulls out the Irish whip
Yeah.
now and again, and Rene has the lovely sidearm. It's a nice.
It's a nice sidearm. I've seen a few paddle swings out of him.
Okay.
Just for some passes
2 serves 3.
so far, but.
It's a lovely shot with the
Hand up.
kitog. We say Irish, Ashgailge, our language is kitog for left-handed, left-handed shot, a left-handed shot. So
Okay.
that's Ger has 2 nice hands. Ger, he's 2 good hands.
Those are the fists too, I believe.
Yeah, he punched
3
it
serves
into the
2.
floor, yeah.
It's a nice serve.
Point. Four serves 2.
4 serves 2. That's a great serve.
Point.
That's better than the first one, wouldn't it?
Broke him to the left and then.
Yeah. And it's not coming off the back
stuck
wall,
it
is
right-
it?
No, no. It's a lot easier. Even if it does come off the back wall, a
5
lot, it just
serves 2.
dies.
It dies,
doesn't,
right.
It doesn't carry. And it's a setup.
Ger's
Point.
playing well. He's starting to hit form now.
Six serves 2.
It's nice to see what you guys call that mouse. It's a mouse rollout, isn't that what you call it, a mouse?
I just heard that for the first time within the last year or two.
Really?
I was heard it from actually a few of the, I want to say a few of the Irish guys
Point.
at a tournament at one point.
Really? They're calling it a mouse?
Yeah. So.
Yeah, so for the people at home, the mouse is a really dead, flat rollout
7
kill.
serves
So
2.
that's what a mouse is. And Ger just hit one of them a while ago.
It's a nice pass.
That's the Irish whip there. He pulled it out now and again. He kind of lost it in that sidewall
up.
bit, didn't he?
Yep, that's where the glass is going to get you, and the ball grips the wall a lot more. So just
Really?
Yeah, yeah. Well, just
As
2
opposed
serves
to the
7.
concrete, it slides off the concrete or the boards.
I think it's more of the ball.
Okay.
More of the ball again. Like
It hugs the glass, does it?
I've seen times where I think it's going to come out way farther, and next
Point.
thing you know it's just 5 feet farther up in front of me.
Right, it didn't carry.
Yeah. yeah.
Okay.
3 serves 7.
That's a nice shot.
It's a nice
Point.
shot, Rennie, coming into this match now. Rene Lopez.
4 serves 7.
I wonder is he any relation to Jennifer Lopez?
I don't know about that one, but
Big chance here for Ger with the kid dog. He goes for the wraparound. That's a lovely
Hand
through
up.
wall pass, wouldn't it?
that it was.
So how do you find the jet lag, Ray? Was it okay?
7 serves 4.
It wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
Just sleep through the on the plane and then just troop it out the first night.
Suffer on, yeah. Okay.
Suffer the first day. Maybe I'm just on 4 hours of sleep for a day, and then eventually it almost just feels like being sleep deprived rather than jet
Okay,
lag.
Right.
I do it with
Hand
school back home. Sometimes I'm up doing assignments late at night, so it's no different than if I'm up late doing an assignment and then waking up early for class.
Okay.
It's kind of how it felt.
4, serve
Right.
7.
Actually, I was up till 5 a.m. just the other night here doing an assignment.
Really? Right.
Didn't think it was going to take as long as it did, but
Up to 5 a.m. Wow.
yeah. Not a smart move on my end. But
I was just about to say, is that good prep for the World Championships? But it has to be done, right?
yeah,
I think it made
Has to be
that.
done.
I thought so. Hand out. Timeout. Number 1.
So Jared's taking the timeout. His first timeout. A 7-4 lead to the Tipperary man. So have you tasted? You've obviously had the Irish food, had you?
a little bit.
Is this your first time in Ireland?
It is.
Oh, very good, very good.
First time across the Atlantic, so
Oh, brilliant, brilliant.
it's been great so far.
And where'd you fly? Where'd you come from in America?
I'm from Chicago.
Okay.
And then I go to school in Minnesota.
Okay.
At Minnesota State.
What are you studying?
I'm studying health and physical education.
Oh, very good.
Be a teacher in the future. So
Right, that's what I studied. That's what I'm doing now. Right. Small world.
it's a lot of
15
fun.
seconds.
Yeah. That's good now. It's seldom two gentlemen
5
meet.
seconds.
So did you come with your family or?
Yeah, my mom
Resume
and
play.
dad. They actually their connecting flight happened to be in Minneapolis. So I was just we were on the same flight. They came from Chicago to Minneapolis, and then we flew from Minneapolis together
Oh,
to
brilliant.
Ireland.
That was handy.
Kept
Very
it
good.
easy.
Yeah.
Hopped off the plane and came straight here.
Really, to the courts?
'Cause
Yes.
we had-
7, serving
We had
4.
to wait for our check-in for our place, and
Oh, okay.
so we were just like, might as well go here. And
Oh, very good. Yeah.
worked out well.
So far, so good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Point.
So that ball, the 21 ball, would carry. That shot off the glass might have carried a bit.
Yeah, if it's gonna hit the ceiling, it's still gonna
8,
die.
serving 4.
Right.
It's not a habit you want to get into.
No, because you're kind of setting up
Check
the
ball,
guy,
please.
aren't you?
Even if you hit it hard off the back wall, it's probably just gonna end up being another setup.
Okay.
I've been trying to do a lot more of just making sure
Replay.
that I
8, serving 4.
get back enough and scoop with my left hand to get
So-
it back up there.
And get it back safely.
Yeah.
Right.
Get it back a little higher, deeper. Because you have to hit a perfect shot with this ball in order for that to even be a reasonable shot.
Right.
So.
Big rally here.
Point.
That was unlucky for Rene. He just mishit it. He was there for it, but he just misread it maybe. He came into his body, didn't it?
Yeah, it came off the glass a little bit.
Okay.
Might have gotten lost, but I think it just bunched him up a little
9,
bit.
serving 4.
That's going to be
Short
short.
ball.
That's what I thought.
Second serve.
Points have been coming slowly.
Yeah, it's long rallies. Big rallies.
I think you're going to see in some of the matches this
Point.
upcoming week, with the different styles of play, there's going to be some people just shooting the ball left and right, and then there's going to be people who are rallying. So you're, with some of the American styles, with the faster ball in the States,
10, serving
people
4.
like to be offensive.
Okay, shoot the ball.
And shoot the ball a lot.
Right.
I know I personally do that a decent
Sure.
amount. We'll
Okay.
go for some shots that other people don't. But
Hand
it's
up.
all on your comfort level and knowing when to and when not
4,
to.
serving 10.
Sometimes you may want to, and it's just not the smart decision.
Right, you're forcing it.
So, oh, that's a nice shot.
Hand up.
Yeah, I think it's, when you get the setup, it's important to go for it, not half go for it.
Exactly.
If you half go for it, you'll get punished.
Yep.
10,
There's some
serving
people
4.
really good in the front court, so if you're leaving the ball up even just a little bit, then it's just going to be re-killed and you're going to lose the rally.
Okay. And that's frustrating when you go for a kill and it's half up and they re-kill it. It's frustrating.
Yep.
Hand out.
So 4 serving 10.
4, serving 10.
See if you can get a few points here.
Yeah,
Get
let's
back
see,
in the-
let's see can he get back in this match, because this game is up to 15 and
Hand out.
it's over fast. Like it's usually we play the
Hand out.
21-point games usually.
it's usually 21 points games, and the old games we used to play was best of 3 games at 21.
Okay.
There was no tiebreaker.
Oh, no tiebreaker to 11.
10, serving 4.
That'd be long. I personally wouldn't mind it, actually.
Really? Yeah, well, you're fit. You must be in good shape.
I do cross country and track at my college in addition to
Right.
handball, so
Oh, wow.
doing
right.
a good amount of running each week.
So you're not
staying
going to
in
get
shape.
tired.
Well,
Second serve.
we'll see.
Who have you got the first round? Who you playing?
My first match is against Kevin Diggins.
Oh, Kevin Diggins. Yeah,
Should be a good one.
yeah, good player.
Hand out.
And how it
Time
goes
out.
from
Number
there.
1.
Yeah, very good.
Scores
Have you ever
4,
played
10.
Kevin before?
I haven't.
No, good player.
I've seen him play. I saw him play for the first time in May, I believe, over at the U.S. Nationals.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I forget who he's playing, but. And I believe he's a lefty.
He's lefty. Yeah,
So
yeah.
that'll be something different.
Lefties are awkward.
Don't
I'm a lefty as well, and we're awkward to play against.
I don't face too many lefties.
Really?
But I mean, just in general, there's not many out there.
Yeah.
But luckily, one of my teammates at college is a lefty, John Mike Jr. He's a lefty, and he's been improving tremendously over the
20
last year and
seconds.
a half now.
Right.
So it's good practice. He has a lot of power and
Okay.
whatnot. So learning how to play against a lefty from him has
Okay.
helped. So
Is this John Bike Jr. or John?
John Mike Jr.
Oh,
Yep,
right.
yep.
Okay. Right.
5 seconds.
Actually, I think he's Junior, the third.
Junior.
So,
Okay,
yeah.
his granddad was Junior, right? Or is John Bike as well? Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right. Yeah, we used to watch his dad play in Ireland a lot. I've seen
Resuming
him
play.
playing in the big court
Okay.
as well. He could hit that ball hard.
4, serving 10.
Yeah. The big court is something else. I hopped on it for the first time on
Oh, you tried it, have you?
last Monday, and
Right.
I felt like I was playing handball for the first time all over again.
Replay.
It's a different game, isn't
Yeah.
it? Different game.
The
Yeah.
Bounces that took off the sidewalls, stuff like that. Just tracking the ball felt like a completely new thing. I
Right.
could still swing and hit the ball, but
It's a different hop of the ball.
4, serving
different
10.
bounce.
I think it'd be fun to have over in the States. It'd
Oh,
just
it's
be
a great game, yeah. You have a good game too, like 3-wall. That's a tough game as well.
3-wall is very.
Point.
I don't know. It's very physically demanding.
It is,
the
yeah.
body.
And no back wall.
5, serving 10.
No back wall, so it's a lot of power just driving it down the lanes.
Right.
If you hit the sidewall, like can be useful, but generally you want to keep it off the sidewall so it just pushes them back further and further.
Okay.
Hand out.
Wraparounds are probably about the worst shot you can hit.
Because it goes out.
It'll go, it'll hit the sidewalls, come back around, and just be a setup
10,
off
serving
the
5.
sidewall.
Oh, wow.
Even if it's 40 feet back, it still comes into the middle and gives the person a setup to
Short.
Okay.
drive the ball wherever they want.
All right. So,
Second serve.
Ger going to town here now. Ger dominating the play. He's really controlling that ball, Ger Coonan of Tipperary, the Ballina club. That's a great pass shot with the whip.
Point.
He came over the top of the ball too, and he kept it straight.
Yeah. I think there's a few of these shots that if Renee can keep them a little bit further from the corner, drive it
11,
deeper
serving
rather
5.
than just kind of dying off. If you hit the front wall and sidewall really close to each other, the ball will just come straight out into the middle for a setup.
Okay.
Whereas if you hit the front wall and catches the sidewall a little bit deeper,
So for a pass, like a
Second
two-wall
serve.
pass, okay.
more of a V pass.
V pass,
yeah.
okay.
But I also think part of that's that Kunin's just keeping
Point.
him moving, putting him in awkward spots to hit the ball.
Right, yeah, he's good, great control.
12, serving 5. Short. Second serve.
That's a nice pass.
Big setup here for Jer.
Hand up.
That's not like him to miss that with the whip.
Going for the bottom board there.
If it was, yeah.
5, serving 12. Hand out.
So 12 serving 5 now here. Jer into serve.
12, serving 5.
That's the whip again.
Point.
So what do you think Rene has to do to get back into this match, Ray?
13, serving 5.
He's just got to push the ball a little bit deeper.
Okay. And move Jer back.
Yeah, exactly. You're never going to win a game if you're the one that's just chasing after the ball while the other person's just sitting in the middle. It's never going to work. So you got to find a way to get them out of the middle some way, shape, or form, whether it's a ceiling or.
So fist to the ceiling, maybe wraparounds.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep,
Two all
exactly.
passes, right?
I think a lot of times
Game point, 35.
Rene's been missing driving it straight down the lines, keeping it off the sidewall.
Okay.
That's one shot I like to do is just driving it down the walls without hitting it so that it just dies in the back corner.
Okay, pass shots.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, exactly. Just passing it.
So pass for
Second serve.
Pass for dough, kill for show.
Yep. Yep.
All right. That's a nice shot with the left hand.
Nice game.
First game.
And that's the first game. That's the first game to Tipperary, man. We're going to have a quick break and we'll be back shortly for the second game. Don't go away. Good.
0 serve 0.
Okay, we're back live here now for game 2. Ger took the first one.
Ooh.
Oh wow, that was, did
Hand
that
out.
make it? It did. That was a lovely shot off the corner.
I didn't think it was. It was going to make it, but
We're way
0
back
serve
here,
0.
I suppose. We're a good bit back. But it looked,
Short.
it was a lovely shot to get Ger out of the service box.
Second serve.
see if he changed his strategy heading into this game. Try to pull out the win.
He's
for,
hitting it with power now,
Point.
more power, Rene.
1 serving 0.
That can be a dangerous game to play, though, playing with power, because you can overhit
Hand
a
up.
shot.
Yeah, come
set
off the
them up.
back wall, right. Okay.
0
Like what
serves
happened
1.
there, he overhit it, you're right. Chance for Ger with the whip. Goes for the pass.
I think Jared's a little more comfortable with the ceiling, and that's
Point.
caused some issues.
Yeah,
for-
he's
for
nice
Rene.
overhands. Ger has lovely overhands, yeah. And like I said, he plays a lot in this court.
Yeah.
Together at 1.
He lives around here.
Point.
So it's 2-1. So Rene has to
2
try and
serves
stop
1.
Ger somehow. He's got to keep him back deep, as you said.
Short. Second serve.
Wow. It's a good pass.
Set up for Ger off the back wall. Oh,
Oh, wow.
got his left hand. He's
Hand up.
annoyed with himself for setting Ger up the back wall, but
It's a little
he got away
lucky.
with it.
Yeah. I think that's the other thing. He's been hitting a lot
1
of shots
serves
just
2.
to the center of the court. So, yeah.
So he needs to use the sidewalls.
Use the sidewalls, just get it out of the center. 'Cause
Yeah.
like that, came straight back to the middle.
Oh, that's not like Ger to
Point.
miss that now.
Together at 2.
Chance here for Ger.
Great
It's
pass.
better
Point.
from Rene, isn't it? Better.
Yeah.
Yeah. But a lot of long rallies.
Yeah,
They're going to be tired, these guys.
that's for sure.
Yeah.
3 serves 2.
Rene doesn't seem to like the back. Ooh,
Oh, that's the fist kill again.
doesn't seem to
Hand
like
up.
the back court with his left hand.
Right.
He's having a little bit of trouble with that.
Okay.
I guess see how he handles it the rest of the match.
Right.
2 serves 3. Check ball.
So we got the great John Chapman.
Replay.
refereeing.
2 serves 3.
The great one's brother.
Yep.
Yeah.
He had a tough matchup.
Point.
He had against Niall O'Connor. I was doing the commentary there. It was Niall is very good.
Oh,
Very
yeah.
good player.
I was looking at the brackets, and when I saw Niall O'Connor as a 32 seed, I was
Together at 3.
Right.
quite blown away because he's
Right.
a very talented.
Ah, he's
player.
good. Good player.
2 great hands. And
Point.
That's unforced area. You can't. It's hard. I suppose his style of play, he likes to hit the ball fast, whip it
4
quick, doesn't
serves
he?
3.
Yep, yep.
Hand
So like
out.
those shots are interesting because it's an amazing defensive shot from
3
right
serves
there.
4.
But back home, that's coming around the back left corner for a setup.
That's
So,
the setup, yeah.
yeah.
And Jer Winford, I think, but put it into the floor. But
It would have been a back wall,
yeah.
back wall setup with the left hand coming off the side wall.
Okay, you'd have went for it with the left hand, would you?
Yeah,
Right.
yep.
Okay.
I guess it depends person to person.
Hand out.
There aren't too many people will take
Scores
back
4-3.
wall, left
Timeout.
wall with their right hand. But
Okay.
I've seen a few people.
So we got a timeout here, I think. Yeah, so he went for it there, but great shot. The whip came out. Jer's controlling the front court, isn't he?
He's got some paddles,
Yeah.
the underarm swing.
Yeah.
It's not practiced too much. I guess probably because there's no whip in the U.S.
You don't
Too
see
much.
many whips, yeah.
Not too much.
Yeah.
So there's less underarm swing and less paddles, I feel like.
And it'd be hard to read the whip too, wouldn't it? It'd be hard to predict where they're going to put it with the whip, is it?
It takes a little bit of,
Getting
I
used
guess,
to.
if you face a few people with it.
Martin
Time in.
Does Martin pull it out now and again?
He uses it every so often.
Yeah.
Same thing with Killian.
Right, yeah.
4
When they were
serves
younger,
3.
they were all whips, so they had to learn the sidearm. They had to develop the sidearm,
Okay.
you know.
You might get some modified whips. It's not quite a
Right.
whip, but like I'll occasionally go for something. I wouldn't call it a whip, but it's closer to a whip than most things you'll see
Right.
in the U.S. So
It's underarm, kind of.
yeah, yeah.
Right.
Ooh.
He's
Point.
fast, Rinnie. He's very fit, fast. He's getting frustrated himself now, small bit.
He's got to get a few points here.
5 serves 3.
Make sure that it doesn't get away from him.
Okay.
Nice pass.
Point.
So 6-3. Rinnie's
6
sticking
serves
with him a
3.
bit in this game.
Yeah.
He's holding on a bit.
It was only at the end of last game
Point.
where
Oh, it's a great serve.
where Jared started just putting together a streak of points.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Seven serves 3. Point. Eight serves 3. Short.
curious, who does the winner of this one get?
Second serve.
Who they're playing into now?
Daniel Cordova.
Okay, so
He'll be an interesting too.
it could be, yeah.
One to watch. He can hop the ball like nobody else.
Really?
So
Right.
Point.
Yeah, Rinnan needs to keep that ball on the wall. He's putting a lot into the floor now, unforced errors.
yeah, if he doesn't get the ball back right now and score at least 3 points, I would say.
Nine serves
I
3.
have a feeling it's not going to be attainable then.
Yeah, if Jared gets any more, this game is over. Chance here. Now a big chance for Ger off the back wall. Oh, it's not like him.
Hand up.
He kind of lost it a bit, did he?
Yeah.
Timeout. That's your first. Timeout, yes.
So in the 6x30 game, Ray, we got no timeouts either.
I heard about that one. I heard about that one, and then the courts can be different from place to place. So
yeah, totally different. Yeah, no big court is the same.
yeah.
Yeah.
Heard that with heated courts, like there's at least in Moycolen, there's a heated 60 by 30
Yeah,
court.
it's a great court.
And
Miles Martin's home court.
Yep,
yeah,
yep.
yeah.
And basically, if you can win the first game, it's looking pretty good because everyone's going to get tired because they're not used to playing 60 by 30 on a warm court.
15
Right,
seconds.
So-
right. That's good. You got good inside
Yeah, yeah.
information there.
Resuming play. Three serves 9.
That's a lovely shot off the back wall.
Hand
Nice
up.
and relaxed.
Nine serves 3.
So is it just standard for everyone to wear a headband then in Ireland for handball?
I think
Point.
that started years ago in the US. It was kind of compulsory because they used to wet the court.
Yeah.
We should
10
it's not
serves 3.
compulsory. It's compulsory if the referee asks you to put it on. You have to have one in your bag. You know.
Interesting.
It's if you don't have one in your bag, you can be in trouble. But a lot of the Irish, we sweat a lot, so we have to we wet the floor and
Point.
I think it's interesting.
do you not do that?
guess It's not required.
Is it not? Right, okay.
No, not required.
Right.
I guess it can. I think it can be asked by the referee,
Right.
but it's very rare.
11
Okay.
serves 3.
Very rare. I've only seen it happen once in the U.S.
Okay. In the
but-
last tournament now here we I think it was Michael Finnegan was ref and it was a game. I forget who was playing, but he asked him to wear
Hand
a
up.
headband. And the player said, I don't have any. So we had to go and get one. They had to go and run down to the shop and get one.
3
Okay.
serves
So-
11.
I'm not a fan of the rule personally.
No, you'd be uncomfortable, I
think it's-
suppose, wearing it, yeah.
It'd be fine, but I just think like if you go into any other professional sport, I can't think of a single one that requires people to wear headbands.
That's
like,
a good point, actually, yeah.
You go to the National Basketball Association,
And if
NBA.
And if you're wet in the court,
They're-
they dry it, do they? Or
They could dry it, yeah.
Okay.
You could dry it.
Okay.
Just take the time, or
see, a lot
I
of
mean-
players like me now, that'd be strategy for me. If I'm getting tired, if the court gets wet, I'm delighted because I have a
Okay.
break, you know.
11 serves 3.
some people do that.
Yeah,
Do that where they'll take advantage of the wet court,
yeah.
see what happens. But
The great Dave Chapman, he was brilliant for that. If things weren't going his way, the court would be wet.
Yeah.
You know, he needs to change his shirt, his gloves. He'd argue with the ref or something, but he was great. He was great at that kind of strategy.
yeah. Well, here's the other thing with a headband: you're required to wear one. But what happens
12
if the
serves
headband's
3.
already sweat through?
You gotta change it, maybe. Yeah.
Like, yeah,
Yeah, I suppose I see
Sure.
players now and they
There's-
change them every few minutes if the timeout or equipment change, isn't it? It's called an
yeah,
equipment.
Yep.
I was playing a guy
Second
in the
serve.
one ball in the World Championships, and it was very funny. I scored the first point, and he took an equipment timeout. I never seen it before. His groin strap was coming loose and pulled it off, and he walked off the court. He's going to kill me for saying this now, but
Hand out.
but I never came across that before. After
Yeah.
just 1 point, one 1-0. But
3
I had
serves
to-
12.
I had to pull an equipment timeout 3 weeks ago because my shoelace snapped.
all right. Well, that was
Shoelace broke, so I just undid my my normal walking shoes. Took the shoelace off that shoe and put it on my
Right.
handball shoes. Worked out well.
so. Just for
4 serves
the
12.
people at home and the rules. What's the rule there? You can take a equipment timeout and it's not recorded till you get it fixed. Is it?
You get
Hand out.
sorry about that. You get 2 minutes.
2 minutes equipment. Okay, right.
12 serves 4.
Juror is really dominating this
Point.
game.
Yeah.
13 serves 4.
Whew.
Point. Match point serves 4.
So it's match point. Game ball here for Jur Coonan.
Four serves 14. Hand out.
So it's 14-4.
Match point serves 4.
Match point serves 4 now. Jur getting another chance to serve.
Gets a setup.
Big setup here. Oh, and he takes it with a mouse. A mouse right there. That's great. Great to see a finish like that from Jur Coonan. And Jur goes to the next round. And Rennie says, "Do you want to shop, change shirts?" They're going to swap shirts now. And
Oh, nice.
that's good sportsmanship. So Jur will be playing Daniel Cordova next round.
Yep.
Okay, we're going to have a quick break and we'll be back shortly with the next match.
Owen serving 0 versus 0.
Okay, we're back live again here now. We've
Point.
got Owen McGinty and Ty Carroll.
1 serve 0.
That's great serving,
Point.
great hop serving from Owen. Coming over the top of the
2
ball.
serve 0.
Really hopping that ball.
Short. Second serve. Side out. 0 serves 2.
Tyke is the brother of
Point.
the great
1 serves 2.
the great Cork man that was dominating the game there a while.
Played over.
Owen, that's going to be a play over.
Oh, sorry. Point.
Owen is just after
2 serves 3.
winning the intermediate, so he's moved up the ranks and he's
Short.
he's gotten to senior there last year.
Second serve.
So he's a senior player now.
Point. Three serves 2. Side out.
Great dive and kill there by Owen. He done well to get that.
2 serves 3. Point. 3 serves 3.
Great hop on that ball. Coming
Point.
over the top of that ball. It's a lovely hop.
4 serves 3. Point.
Tyke not getting into
5
this game
serves
just
3.
yet. No, he's not. I see the great Paul Brady has just entered the building. He's talking to the great Joe McCann there. Big rally here. That's a great shot from Tyke. Forced it over the top of the
Side
ball
out.
and it broke. It didn't come off the glass. Great shot, deep court.
3 plays 5.
Oh, that's a lovely shot from Owen.
Side
Just
out.
caught it off the glass in the right time. Just moved into it lovely. That's a lovely shot, a mouse right there.
5 plays 3. Down.
Referee's going to give a point there.
6 plays 3.
6 plays 3. Great hop serving.
Short. Second serve. Point. Seven plays 3.
Tyke having
Point.
trouble with this hop serve now of Owens. He's in big trouble with that
8
serve.
plays 3.
There is awful hop on it though.
Short. Second serve. Side out. 3 serves 8. Short. Second serve. Side out.
It's a lovely shot, lovely kill off the back wall there. Owen really
8 plays 3.
playing very good now here.
Short. Second serve.
That's a good back, but he set up Owen a bit. He got away with it. It's a lovely kill from
Side
Tig.
out.
Tig needs to get into this game now, and he needs to keep Owen at the back of the court and take his kills.
3 plays 8. Point. 4 plays 8. Side out. Eight plays 4. Point.
That hop down the left is really doing damage. It's great to see. It's lovely to
9
watch.
plays 4.
That's a good pass by
Side
Tig now.
out.
Good return to serve.
Four plays 9. Point. Timeout.
So we're having a timeout now. Tig getting back into this match, 5-9. So he's starting to cope a small bit with the serve. And he's getting a bit of advice from the legend himself, Killian Carroll. So it's time in now. The referees call the time in. And the great one has joined the commentary box. The Adonis himself, the great
All right,
Chris
resuming
Cavigan.
play.
Well, I don't know about
5
great one
serves
now.
9.
The fake one, maybe, not the great one.
How's your day going, Chris?
It's been busy,
Yeah,
but it's been fun.
yeah.
How's this going?
Oh, Tiger's getting into it now a bit, but I
Side
just
out.
given the commentator's curse there, he missed that one. But the serves, will you see the serves
9
to the
plays
left?
5.
Lovely hop serves.
Owen loves a
See
hop.
that?
point.
See that for a hop.
It's
He's he's doing awful damage. It's outrageous, isn't it?
Do you know what, when at the One
10
World
plays
Championship
5.
in Limerick, I was saying to her, I was like, why didn't you enter the small ball wobble?
Point.
I was
That's
like-
right. Yeah.
He was like, I didn't even think of it.
11
I was
serves
like,
5.
You're mad. Because that serve is
Look at it.
killer.
Yeah.
Now, like, the thing is, because he put such a big hop on it, it almost like, if he just hits one straight, then it also doubles up on the good serve.
It
That's
does.
just straight.
That caught Tiger a few times as
Yeah.
well. Tiger was ready for the hop and he just hit it straight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
That's a good point, actually.
Side out.
two good players. Tiger
5
is a
plays
baby
11.
girl now, a couple of months old.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
So congrats to Tiger and his partner. She was here today supporting her dad.
Oh, great stuff. That'll keep him up at night.
Yeah, no doubt.
Side
I
out.
was talking to Killian as well on the way through. Killian,
11 plays 5.
one of the top seeds for this and one of the favourites for this championship. So
Yeah, he's down there. He's giving Tig some advice there earlier. He's in the front row there.
that was a good pick by Tig.
Yeah. There's great rallies going on here.
Yeah. How's your day been up here?
Grand, I just got a dinner brought up to me by the great Claire Conway, and it was great. Conway. And it was great. Lovely. Meatballs.
Very good.
It's really taken
Right
off around the place, isn't it? The atmosphere. And
Ah, it's brilliant.
great.
Been unbelievable.
5 plays 11.
I'm going to sit in here beside you. Yeah, there's been some great games
Point.
today. So on court 3, Dominic Lynch lost to Michael Gregan. He had quite a big lead earlier on in the game.
6 plays 11.
But Michael played unbelievable stuff. Right, and then Abe Montillo and
Point.
Abe Montillo lost to Caden Daly. So
Okay.
7 plays 11.
yeah, some good games.
And Joe McCann lost to Brendan Fleming there. It was a nail biter, 2 straight.
Yeah.
But it was very close. Joe was up in both games, and Brendan came back, I heard.
Ian McLaughlin's in the tiebreaker out
Point.
there at the moment.
Oh,
against
very good.
Lauren Collado. He lost
second
the
timeout.
first game very heavy. I think it might have been 15-4 or 5, but he was 11-0 down at one stage. Then he really dug in fairness to him, he won the second game. He's in the tiebreaker now. Actually, see if I can get that up on my phone just to keep an eye on the score.
Yeah, that's deadly. That's great. Our county man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and on after him is another county man, Stephen Cooney.
What the great Stephen Cooney. He's playing over America now. Is he in America or
He's-
Canada?
He's in California, yeah.
California. Hope it doesn't make him too soft now.
He- I don't know if anything will make that like soft, in fairness. So, they've given you a big upgrade from the sandwiches this time around.
Oh, yeah. They brought me dinner up now. It's great.
So, Lauren Collado is 7-2 up in the tiebreak against Ian McLaughlin.
Okay.
Ian has the serve, so Ian has a bit to do in that game to 11.
He has this 11 is right.
Ty's
Resuming
not
play.
too far behind Owen here,
8
but
serves 11.
needs a couple of good minutes if he's going to tie this up.
That's more
That's a
like it.
great shot.
Yeah, that's what he's got to do. He's got to serve and
Point.
kill if he wants to get back in.
Yeah.
And he's not too far away, as you said. It's 9-11 now, is it, or 8-11?
Yeah.
So he's
Yeah.
not too far away.
Ty Carroll won the top, has been, well, was one of the top CrossFit Monster. He won the Monster CrossFit a number of times. He's a bit of an all-round athlete, in fairness.
Yeah.
And Owen McGinty is one of the top golfers in the country, amateur golfers.
Right, that's interesting.
So, yeah. Yeah, so this is the day 1 of the Open Championship here. The place is looking very well.
That's going, yeah. It's a great atmosphere. And look at the 2 good-looking men there in that camera. 2 Adonises there.
See,
Great men. Back together again.
the A team, is it?
The A team.
Okay, resuming play. 9 serves 11. Side out.
Yeah, Tig needs to push.
11
now if
plays
he's going
9.
to try and put the pressure on Owen. It's a good serve. Looks-
Great serve, yeah.
I could not see that.
No,
Camera?
no.
I could not see that from where I was standing.
You might have to put a line judge there.
I completely blocked. 2 serves.
Okay, he's giving him 2 serves.
11
yeah,
plays
he wanted
9.
line there's no line judges so far today, but he could do it one maybe. Sometimes for calls
yeah,
like that.
I think. Like, at the
Are you
end-
allowed to ask them for the line judge there?
Of course.
Yeah, obviously short. Yeah, of course. That's right.
You can appeal and you can again, it's down to the referees just to put a line
Set
judge in place. So there's a line judge in. There's a line judge on the other courts. In fairness, so
9 plays 11.
makes a difference on those blind calls from the referee
Was a good serve by Tig, putting a bit of
Point.
hop on that himself. Yeah.
10 plays 11.
Big setup here.
Yeah, big.
Point.
He's back in this match. It's 11 all now.
Yeah, it's like Owen's gone a little bit flat since
Yeah.
I've come in.
11
So
plays 11.
Tig has to push on. Keep the pressure on him now. Owen earlier on the year won the intermediate singles championship. Beat Rory Grace in the final of that. Beat Kieran Leary in the semi-finals.
Oh, it's a
Good
lovely
finish.
cross court kill off the shoulder.
Really
That's a
good
lovely
finish.
shot.
Point.
Really nice shot. Let's see that again now. He just lets it off the shoulder and flattens it in
12
the,
plays
the
11.
left side wall. We got a timeout in our hands here now, so this game could go anywhere. 11 all, Chris.
Yeah, like I suppose Tig has to keep on pushing on Owen now as he's got the momentum. So Tig's great hands, in fairness.
Oh, he's in great shape.
Yeah, he's a bit of a powerhouse, all right.
Killian giving him a bit of advice down there.
Any word from Bosco?
The great John Bosco Hurley. He's won again. He won his match again today. He's going well.
He won't see Dublin at all this week.
He's some man. It's hard to beat our John Bosco.
No, not at all.
He's playing doubles now shortly as well. He's playing in 5 minutes. He's playing his doubles matches on.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, so he's playing doubles and singles.
So a big schedule of games starting tomorrow at 9 o'clock, Ollie.
Yeah, early start for us tomorrow. We have to go to bed early tonight, Chris.
So I think there's 20 open singles games on the stream tomorrow, 7 open doubles. That's all men's games, and I think the women's championship starts on Wednesday. So it's going to be a hectic day of handball here tomorrow. Make sure you tune in.
Yeah, and if you want to keep up with the score and all that, there's a great website on knowthescore.ie. It's very good.
Yeah, so it's giving you real-time information. Big shout out to Joe O'Connell and Jeff and Bosco and everyone that's been working on that behind the scenes over the last couple of weeks. They've done an unbelievable amount of work in trying to keep everyone up to date with all the scores. Shout out to all the clubs that have been doing an unbelievable amount of work to make this World Championships happen as well. Like, there've been lines painted on, there's lines painted and walls painted, and up and down the country there's it's been a humongous effort from all the volunteers involved with the clubs.
Oh yeah, it's
Resuming
great to
play.
see.
20
12
venues,
serves
8
11.
counties, you know, like 1,900 games are going to be played in this championship, so fair play to everyone that's been involved. Ty going back to the ceiling again. Going
Oh,
aggressive,
chance
that's
here now.
opportunity.
Oh, the two of them
Point.
had 2 chances there,
Yeah.
and he was lucky to get away with it. Tig.
13
Owen-
serves 11.
Owen shaking his head. He's not happy with the way he's gone off the
Short.
ball here. He was in control of this game as well, so he has
Second
to find
serve.
something and change things up. As he
Point.
goes off the back while it catches the ceiling on the way in.
This could be the first
14
game.
serves
yeah.
11.
Tygan,
If he can close this out.
that's a good serve.
Now a chance off the back wall. Is he going to go? No, it's an awkward ball.
Oh.
It dipped.
Side out.
Just dropped awkwardly,
Yeah.
didn't it?
Yeah.
And Joe, it was a good serve.
It was a good serve and he had his chance.
11 serves
But it
14.
just went to the left and
Yeah.
died off the glass. Chance for one.
Point.
He needed that.
He needed that. Now he's back in the match. He's there's
12,
nothing between
14.
the teams here now. The opponents.
Short.
That serve is starting to.
Yeah, it's not really
It's
getting
not
Second
happening.
serve.
He's not getting it in now like he used to. The first serve. Earlier on, it was doing awful damage.
Yeah.
That's a good
And
pass.
it does damage to a lot of the senior players. It's a wicked serve, but
It's an awkward ball. Well scooped out. Chance here now for Tyke. One is there.
it's a good pass. One digs that out. Ty goes for the kill, but leaves it up.
It's a big rally. Now
That's-
chance for Tyke. Goes for down the left.
Good
One
pick from
scoped
Owen.
it up. Another chance for Tyke. Goes for the pass, but Owen is there. Oh, and it was a great rally. That was a big rally there.
Side out.
And it was an important rally because Tyke is back into serve now, and he could close out this first game if the serve is
14
good.
This
serves 12.
is Tyke's second game ball.
And that's
a
it.
good
First
serve.
game.
That's the first game.
That's the first game.
It's yeah, Tyke pulled that back well, didn't he?
He did. He came back well. We're going to have a quick break, and we'll be back shortly. Back live here for the second game. It was a cracker.
0 plays 0.
Tyke took it 15-11. So Tyke to serve now.
Yeah, I think Owen probably needs to up the pace a little bit. If he's, he kind of went a little bit flat. At
That's
the
a
end of
lovely
that
shot.
It's
He
a great
must
shot.
have heard you, Chris.
Yeah, this
That's
is
a
it.
lovely shot.
Again, he's
0 plays 0.
very good technical handballer.
Side out. 0 plays 0. Point.
Big shout out to anyone that's sitting here watching the stream.
Yeah, the great
1
Jeremiah
plays
Welsh
0.
should be watching. I suppose he was asking me who's playing there a while ago.
Good.
Side out.
Sean Phillips says Bosco for the title. in the
0
chat.
plays 1.
No,
This is it. Sean Phillips obviously knows.
he knows he's dealing with
Side
a.
out. Point.
He's watching a queer hawk in Bosco.
1 plays 1. Short.
So it's 1-1 here.
Second serve.
And Owen has he's a bandage on the knee. He must have got a bit of small bit of tendonitis.
Yeah, I don't know if he did he dive and cut himself.
Oh,
with that?
maybe that's it, is it?
Yes, it might
Right.
be.
Point.
That was a great pick. He's not afraid to get down on all fours.
2
anyway.
plays 1.
Yeah, he's a cut there, and
Yeah.
you see the blood coming through there.
Yeah.
Side out. 1 plays 2.
It's a
That's
good
a
shot.
great shot.
Really good
Great
shot.
shot. He's seen
Point.
Owen going the wrong direction.
Yeah,
he
he
overhanded.
He just took that. Owen took one
Two plays
half
two.
step to the left, and Ty just drilled it down the right. It's a great shot. Opportunity for Ty. Drives it down the left.
Oh,
Owen
great
digs
pick
it
by
out.
Owen. Great pick.
Side out.
Just gets his hand on it. He now just pokes it up to the front wall.
Two plays 2.
Oh, it's good.
Love
Good
that
finish.
cross court shot there.
Yeah, he hit with enough power just to make the front wall.
That's the second one he
2
done there
plays
off the
2.
shoulder. It's a nice
Yeah.
style.
Short.
He's not short of power, Tyg.
Second serve. Side out.
But he can't be making misses like that. He wants to drive on from here.
2 plays 2.
We get together at 2 here.
Point.
It's, Tyg was almost moving too quickly there, wasn't
3 plays 2.
He was. He's starting to deal with the spin though. He's starting to get used to it.
he? Yeah.
Side out.
Owen looks like he
2 plays 3.
doesn't really know what to do with Tyg at the moment. He's trying all sorts of bits and pieces that's not really coming off for him. That's a better shot.
Side
He's
out.
actually very good at that mid-range where he drops it into his knee level and
Yeah.
then shoots.
3 plays 2.
Trying to float it back and make Ty go back into the back court. Oh, that's a great shot.
Lovely shot.
That's
Great
unbelievable
shot.
hands
Point.
from Owen McGinty. Just kind of it poked off the left.
4
side
plays
line,
2.
Just kind of as he dived across it.
Side out.
Yeah.
So that one just ran out of petrol.
You just wonder with
2
Owen,
plays
like,
4.
sometimes like he didn't have to go for that shot. when he was under pressure. You know, maybe if just he flicked it up instead of trying to go for that into the corner kill.
Point.
And maybe as time goes on, he'll make a better decision on that.
Adjustment,
But
yeah.
Yeah. Again, a young
3
player
plays
still.
4. Point.
Yeah, that was a strange shot by only almost
1-4
lost
there.
4 plays
yeah,
4.
Good chance there.
almost lost in the glass. Owen's sporting a Galway jersey. Don't know if he has Galway connections or maybe the Monaghan man just likes the style of the jersey. But
Must be a breeze that tries his man, you know.
this is it. That's a great pick by Tig.
Great retrieving. Big rally here.
Opportunity for Owen McGinty. Yeah, like
Side out.
Tig put a lot into that rally.
8-8, and he got a lot of balls back, and it was just
Like that
4
that
plays
dive
4.
he made, there was a big spin on that, so he did well to control it. Like,
Point.
okay. So we're
5 plays 4.
5 serving 4 here. Monaghan Harps versus Mallow in the round of 64 of the World Championships. Sponsored by O'Neill's and brought to you by TG4 Sport. Ty Carroll goes down low. Owen dives in. Digs it out of the back court. Ty goes for the bottom and gets
big
it.
rally and gets it.
Takes the time out.
Takes a break for himself.
Immediately.
Yeah.
He tiredly put his hands together for the timeout.
I'm getting tired watching these
I
guys.
tell ya.
It's unreal, the rallies they get.
Yeah.
They're 2 fit men.
Yeah. It's you still feel that Owen he's just not hitting it at his best level at the moment. You feel that there's a bit more in him, Ollie.
I suppose, yeah, but it's hard to
But
play against.
Tig is just
Tig is on form, like.
playing great
Yeah.
stuff. He's not missing anything, you know. And he's putting, if the ball's left up in front of him, he's putting it away.
He is, isn't he? Tig is, and he's hard to put away. You know, if the ball isn't dead, put down right, he'll Tig will flatten it.
On court 2 at the moment, we've got 2 Connacht
15
men.
seconds.
One living out in California starting their match. We've got Seamus Keneally and Stephen Cooney.
Time in.
Stephen serving off his left hand at the moment, who predominantly would have been a right hand player, but he's serving left handed for the last couple of years. I
4
think
plays
the last
5.
championship Stephen played here might have been the hardball doubles that he won with Desi.
Really, yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but that might have been the last match they.
And it was probably in the old centre. It wouldn't be in this centre, would it?
I think they played that in either Abilar or Williamstown.
Right. Oh, and you mean in Ireland? The
In
last game
Ireland.
he had in right.
Yeah,
Okay.
last championship
Point.
match. So, I'll have to ask him and find out. It's well put away by Tig again.
5 plays 5.
Tig playing really well here.
Yeah, he's serving well too. Down to Owen, the left hand, like.
Yeah.
Oh,
trick
lovely
shot.
stuff. Lovely stuff from
Ty
Tig.
Carroll with the trick shot.
Lovely shot.
Unbelievable stuff
6
from
plays
Tig.
5.
Owen McGinty's glance out to the crowd. Unbelievable.
Oh, wow, that was a great kill as
It's a
well.
great shot.
Tig is really stepping up to the mark here.
Yeah, he's putting the pressure on Owen big time at the moment.
7 plays 5. Point
Owen
eight
really not
five.
happy with the way he strikes
First
the ball
timeout.
at the moment.
Yeah, we got another timeout here now. He doesn't want to get Tig too far ahead. Like,
Can you give
he
him
doesn't let
Yeah.
it get too far because.
Tig's 7 points away from winning this match now.
Yeah,
So
and these games to 15 are very, very, very quick.
see, Jerkun had a good performance earlier, did he?
Yeah, he bet Rinne there. He was playing well in this court, but Rinne came from California, and they rented a car and they went down to Galway. They went down to Dingle. They went a lot. They did a lot of mileage, you know. So they're getting their money's worth.
Good.
Yeah. But Jer really
resuming
played
play.
well now. He's very good in this court.
Yeah. He won convincingly. In fairness, it looked.
8 serves
scoreline
5.
looked convincing. So now can Owen change?
That's a great shot.
Side
Can
out.
Owen change something here to kind of put the pressure on Tig again?
Well, if his serves come in, he can reel out 3 or 4 of these serves, and there's nothing you can do.
5
He's
serves
going.
8.
He's changing it now. He's going down the right. Set up.
Yeah.
Chance for Tig. Goes for it. Like Tig has found the bottom
Side
now,
out.
and it's hard to.
Yeah.
When you have a guy shooting all the time,
That makes a big difference. Like
8 serves 5.
when
big serve. Oh, Tig is playing great stuff. That's
Yeah,
Point.
some shot there.
he's just playing intelligent stuff. He's not making any silly hand errors. He's pushing Owen left and right,
9 serves
And
5.
forcing Owen to leave him
Short.
easy ball inside. So
Saw short. Sorry. Yeah.
that's that didn't look short to me either now. So
Second serve.
that's
Side
a
out.
bad mistake.
Yeah, I hope that doesn't cost him.
5 serves 9.
One can ream out a few serves. He's,
Sure.
he's dangerous, like.
Yeah, but that serve's gone away.
Second
from him.
serve.
It
This
has?
is the middle of the first one.
Point.
Thanks for
6 serves
trying
9.
to sneeze here. But,
Short.
it didn't. You know, when you're trying to sneeze, it doesn't sneeze. But
And on court 2, my
Second
current
serve.
man is actually winning here. 5 points to 3 at the moment.
right.
So
Another man that'll be used to them courts. He plays up here in Dublin, doesn't he? He
plays
lives
a lot, yeah.
Yeah, so he should be.
Point.
That could be an upset though, but the Galway man.
7 serves 9.
So it's 9-7 here in the Showcourt. Oh,
Oh,
it's
it's
a
a great
lovely
finish.
shot.
Point.
Lovely shot
You
there.
couldn't get much further away.
Yeah, into the
that
deep
little
left corner, and he hit it with the right hand. Lovely
8
shot.
serves 9.
Great finish. Now can that inspire Owen to get himself back into a bit of form here?
Big chance for Tig.
Owen just pops it up. Opportunity for Tig. He goes and
Lovely
he
shot.
finishes the opportunity that he
Side
gets.
out.
So we're at 9-8 here.
9 plays
It's
8.
close. It's anyone's game. Tig changing the serve. Oh, and that's
Down.
just down. He was unlucky with that one.
10 serves 8. Point.
So we're
11-8. Second timeout.
so Tig again reasserting some control of this match. We're at 11-8 with a 3-point deficit for Owen McGinty to make up, and gotta say at the moment Tig is in complete control, Ollie.
He is. Well, he as you said, Owen is coming back into it. It's 9-8.
No, it's 11-8. It's 11-8.
Oh, it's 11-8, is it? I'm looking at
Our scoreboard
oh,
is
sorry,
wrong here.
sorry. 11-8, okay.
Yeah,
it's Tig really he's found the bottom, like. It's like,
that's been the difference.
yeah.
When, like, Owen's getting
Timing.
the odd kill, but Tig is getting regular kills from around the short line.
Yeah.
And he's put the chances that he's creating by
serves
putting
8.
Owen under pressure. He's taking them. So
Short. Second
he's
serve.
looking to push on now and try and finish this out.
It's a good attack. I want to start to attack the ball more now. It might make a difference.
Oh,
That's a lovely shot.
That's a
Just
great
died
shot.
off the glass.
Point.
Lovely wrap
Yeah,
around.
it's a really good shot in this court in particular, because once it wraps around into that left-hand corner, it will drop, and it will be very hard to see out there because it's so dark.
12
Correct.
serves 8.
So much darker looking out than looking in.
Short.
So great, really intelligent shot by Tig, who at the moment only 3 points away from the match at the moment.
Second
And
serve.
he wants to go and finish it.
That's a great serve. Big setup here.
Opportunity. That's
Lovely
it.
shot, lovely paddle.
Point.
Tig Carroll doing everything right here.
Thirteen serves 8. Short. Second serve.
His brother Killian, the current US national champion in the pro division over there, who won an intermediate doubles with Brendan Fleming in the back a couple of years ago.
Lovely
It's
pick,
a great
yeah.
pick.
He bet the 2 Conways from Williamstown in the final.
So, like,
Holly and Pat.
Tig, who won the
Possible match
intermediate
point
doubles
serves
himself,
8.
he's serving for the match now, and he gets a
Ooh,
crack
what
serve.
a serve. What a time to pull
Tig
out the
Carroll
crack
goes-
serve. The only crack serve in the match. And what a time to pull it out.
Tig Carroll, you got to say, what a performance, beating the current intermediate champion, and will advance to the round of 32. That'll be it from us on the stream here, Ollie.
Yeah, that's the end of the stream on for today, but we'll be back at it 9 a.m. bright and early for the next round of the
So tomorrow, first game on this court will be Martin Mulcairns and Niall O'Connor.
Perfect.
Great.
It'll be a cracker. It'll be a good
This is
one.
it. So we're gonna let you go there, guys. See you tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock, bright and early. Please subscribe to the TG4 Sport YouTube page if you haven't done already. Turn on the notification bell so you'll get a notification when we go live tomorrow, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Hello. Lovely.